everyone, is your Android phone running slow? Don't worry, here are some easy ways to make it faster without resetting your phone. Step 1. Restart your phone. Restart your phone. This can fix temporary issues and improve performance. Step 2. Free up storage. Go to Settings. Storage. Delete unwanted files, videos, photos, or apps to free up space. Step 3. Close background apps. Close the apps you are not using. Too many apps running in the background can slow down your phone. Step 4. Clear app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, select an app, tap Storage, then tap Clear cache. Step 5. Check for software update. Go to Settings, Software update, and install an available update. Step 6. Turn off unused features. Turn off Bluetooth, location, or hotspot when you are not using them. Final tip, if your phone is still running slow, check which apps are using the most storage and remove the ones you don't need. And that's it. These steps should help speed up your Android phone without resetting it. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.